Hey, drop it. Drop it.
Throw it. Are you guys on the ball? No, throw it in the car. Ready?
Throw it. Reachable distance. Roxy! Yeah, girl. Yeah. Good girl, Roxy. You're a swimming girl. I didn't teach her anything. Dogs just naturally learn how to swim. Oh my god, I love it. Good girl. At least I know she won't drown. Yeah, Roxy! She's so freaking cute. She's like breathing hard. She's like,
Happy.
Happy.
Good girl! I didn't know you could swim. Dogs just literally, they just learn it naturally, yeah. She doesn't run in, she just...
I was thinking.
No,
His head went under the water.
oh my god.
You're alright.
Good effort.
I'm all freaked out.
You're like, shit, I have to save my dog.
Shit, his big ass too.
He'll be all weight too, and then he'll be splashing like.
Oh, no, Tyler, come here.
Yeah, Roxy. Drop it. Drop it. Sit. Drop it. Oh. It's okay.
Uh-oh. Taffy.
Taffy.
Let go. Happy.
Roxy. Drop it. Good girl. Roxy.
Ready, Taffy?